Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are diving into the world of cottage gardens and exploring some wonderful ideas to help you create a charming and enchanting outdoor retreat. We will bring your garden to life with some great add-ins, so let's get started. Materials. When it comes to creating a garden, using the right materials is essential for that rustic and cozy feel. Whether wood, some wood elements such as picket fences, trellises, or even a rustic bench can instantly add character and a touch of vintage to your entryway. Stone pathways. Lay down some pathways through the porch to create a sense of nature. Rustic stones with uneven edges work best for that authentic cottage style. Vintage furniture. Repurpose old containers like metal watering cans, wooden crates, or even vintage wheelbarrows as unique planters. This adds a whimsical touch and it helps create a cozy living feel. A vintage door can become an enchanting garden gate, while an old ladder can serve as a trellis for climbing plants. Choosing plants. Opt for native or locally adapted plants as they are better suited to your climate and require less maintenance. Choose a mix of perennials and biennials for continued blooms throughout the year. Include like roses, daisies, lavender, and foxgloves. Incorporate climbing plants like clematis or honeysuckle to add a vertical interest and cover walls or trellis. These plants can create a charming backdrop for your cottage garden. Aromatic herbs. Incorporate herbs like lavender, rosemary, and thyme into your garden beds or as border plants. Not only do they add beauty, but also provide you with a fresh supply for cooking and crafting. Creating a beautiful landscape is essential for a cottage garden. Here are some tips. To add depth and structure, incorporate different plant heights and shapes. Tall perennials and shrubs can provide a backdrop, while medium-sized plants fill the middle ground, and low-growing flowers edge the pathways. Layering. Plant taller varieties at the back, gradually decreasing in height towards the front. This adds depth and creates a visually pleasing display. Climbing vines. Using climbing vines like clematis, wisteria, or climbing roses to cover fences, trellises, and arcs. They not only provide privacy but also add a romantic and whimsical touch. Colors. The key is to embrace a relaxed and natural aesthetic. Delicate pastel colors like pale pinks, soft blues, lavender, and creamy yellows evoke a sense of romance and tranquility. These colors can be incorporated throughout flower choices, painted walls, or even colorful accessories like cushions and fabrics. Vibrant mixes. Don't be afraid to add pops of vibrant colors to your space. Consider adding bold reds, oranges, and purples to create a lively contrast against the soft pastels. Add-ins. Adding some extra elements can take it to the next level. Invite feathered friends into your garden with charming birdhouse and bird bath. These are not only eye-catching but also contribute to a healthy ecosystem. We hope you found these cottage garden ideas and showcase inspiring and informative. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more garden tips and inspiration. Thank you for watching.